Hey, welcome back. I'm Daniel from Party with a Twist, and today I'm going to teach you the only 4 unique twists you need to learn to make almost any type of balloon. Seriously, balloon animals are just learning these 4 twists and then doing them in different times and different orders with different sizes and proportions, and that's how you make different balloon animals. But let's get right into it with the first twist, the flower twist. How to do it is you fold the balloon in half, and then you take the nozzle or the end of the balloon and put your pointer finger on it. You put your thumb underneath on the other side of the balloon and twist. And remember, it shouldn't pop on you, so there should be room at the end of the balloon for air to go to. To lock this in place, you take the nozzle and you wrap it through the balloon, like so. By locking it in place and stopping it from coming undone, you can move on to the rest of the balloon. What I will say is that the flower twist only needs to be locked in place if it's the start of the balloon. If you do a flower twist somewhere in the middle like this, you don't need to lock it in place because there's balloon on each side that keeps it in place. But let's get going to the second of the 4 unique twists. This one is so easy, it doesn't even have a name. It's just this. Boom. Now you know half of the twists that you'll need to learn for almost any balloon. What I will say is that I need to keep my hands on both sides, or keep fingers from the same hand on both sides, or even keep a finger between the 2 sections. But whatever you do, you need contact on both sides of the balloon, or it'll come undone like this. To stop this from happening, you need to lock the balloon in place, which brings us to our 3rd unique twist, the lock twist. What you do is you twist another section, so you should have 1, 2, and 3 sections, and then fold the balloon over like so. What you're going to do is twist this section into this part of the balloon. You want to make sure it looks even, just like this. If the balloon isn't even, the proportions will look off. So you can always untwist and retwist the balloon. But it's important to remember that proportions are everything when it comes to balloon animals, so you always want to make sure they look right. But I'm going to twist it, and now you're 3/4 of the way done. Should look something like this. We're going to move on to the 4th and the final twist. This one can be the hardest to learn, but I believe in you. I know you can do it, and let's get right into it. It's called a pinch twist. It's the same exact thing as a flower twist, only done on a much smaller scale. On the flower twist, you twist the same balloon into itself, and you do the same for a pinch twist, but with a 1-inch bubble. It should look like a sphere. You're going to want to twist this little divider between this little divider. So twisting the 1-inch section into itself. I'm going to fold it over, and how to do a pinch twist, I just remember, pull it, pinch it, and twist it. So I pull it away, pinch it, and twist it. Make sure to twist it a lot of times. It's better to over twist than under twist. Because remember, you're giving this to a 5-year-old who's going to play with it, and you don't want it to come undone on them. So I'm going to twist my pinch twist about this much. And if you look closely, it kind of looks like an ear. And that's one of the 2 uses for a pinch twist. It's also called an ear twist because it looks like an ear and can be used for humans and animals that need ears. But the second use is more of a functional and utility use, and it makes right angles with the balloon. If the pinch twist wasn't here, the balloon would be facing this way. But since it's here, it makes a right angle. Those are the 4 twists you need to learn to make almost any type of balloon animal. It's the flower twist, the twist without a name, the lock twist, and the pinch twist. Now that you know those 4, you can make almost anything. And the good news is I'm actually posting 7 more tutorial videos right after this one, and all 7 of these videos will only use these 4 twists. So you'll be able to make anything that I'm about to post. I hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.